great. Really good. That was fun. So, once again, welcome to the Blue Rock. Here at the Blue Rock, just a few announcements, and that's that we have live music here every night of the week. The magic, this stage is always set up. It's always got a sound system, microphones. This is the house drum set. Every one of these guitars playable by anyone. At the jams and the open mics, they go up and down off the walls. Tonight, stick around. We've got a great jazz trio coming up with, and it opens up to any other jazz musicians can come and can join them. We call it our Jazz Jam. It's hosted tonight by the Springhouse Trio and Don Goodman. They'll be coming up here momentarily, slight change of pace, but the jazz starts around 6 o'clock. Also, basically Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are the jams and open mics, where the stage is available, where musicians gather, they play. You never know what to expect, like Wolf Avenue. And then the Thursday night this week, we have a Grateful Dead tribute band called Dead Ahead Ohio. On Friday night this week, coming week, we have Head First Blues Band, a really fabulous blues band. And Saturday night, I want to tell you, Saturday night there will be an 8-piece with horns Motown band with 2 singers, and the dance floor will be packed. I will tell you, you will need to get here early. On Friday and Saturday night, this place is packed. We've been open about a year now, and that's Friday. You got to know this. So if you want to see, get here early. Plan on coming here for dinner. That's one of the best ways to make sure you get a seat. The music always starts at 6 o'clock. The big band, the Motown band, Saturday will come on around 8 o'clock, and they go from about 8 to 12. So Thursday night, Friday night, and Saturday night are our party nights. Sunday night is jazz. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, centered on the music and the musicians. Something here all the time. So come back and join us. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. Thanks to Wolf Avenue. Thanks, guys. You're great.
And I wanted to say one more thing. We thanked everybody, but I want to thank Chris and Jimmy for entertaining me with all my original stuff that I wrote. So thank you guys for putting up with my stuff. Thank you, everybody.
Well, you got opportunity because